Explore Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy tapi join menta pinyo ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na kabenda ka neat.
Kajaj benriu Khasi kam dunasyu ya ki khon Samla ki bastard bat ki bala ban ya tunjuk bor bat ki wei pat ki jaj benriu he pa nari thor haki examen ki ba he hapo gari nari Khasi lami usamla rich bahalang kharchiyeng ubala pas ya ka joint entrance examination 2026 da ka ba yo khandai phau khandai point nyo phu %. Shwagane, uni usamla ulayo kan daipun real percent haga examen class 12 bala pelong daga CBSE. Daga bapas baha haga examen JEE uni usamla mentau layo rung haga Pule bapau nam jonggari kata haga Indian Institute of Technology Bombay naga benta ka Bachelor of Technology degree lani ka BTech haga Computer Science and Engineering. Uneu samlau deu khon senrang jong uba saldren karbuli u officer jong ka Indian Defence Service of Engineers bat ka kong lapentengan Khasi yang kibasa saumer upper Shillong dong ini sengap menta ayu uneu samlau don shushu baniatho syapang gani ka jingjop jong u menbau dang kena usamla rich bahalang Khasi yang uji sngut tenat bahaban Pule kon ban shna jing shna ban penlut por haki kam ki bapen mentoi ya ka bor jabing ban jingi ban yele kai basketball bat ki wei ki jingi le kai ki baki para khna ki jupen melen yela de
Kong tam pa ai ngoi shayu blay wa yang ka bor ban crack kena ke exam pa ai ngoi i mami i papa jonga bai kila yarap yang kila ai ka motivation ke inspiration yang ban crack kena ke exam pa ai ngoi ya ki paralog ru ki bahayeng ru bahayeng bahasa kumjo nga mang kerteng rich bahalang Khasi nga khas ni sa Shillong hi tamamenta currently nga sa Pune nga sedang schooling from Jammu and Kashmir Air Force School na nursery dan ngalit siya Army School Shillong after that ngalit siya Army School Pithoragarh Uttarakhand after that ngalit siya Navy Children's School Visakhapatnam sa Andhra Pradesh hadin class 10 nga Pule na Army Public School Kharki na Pune and class 11 class 12 mangali kani G preparation nga Pule na Allen Career Institute para prepare ka G advance nga around 6 to 8 hours like every day man kasni each day 6 to 8 hours nga penload for equal time ka physics means 2 hours for physics 2 hours for maths 2 hours for chemistry na makita ki subject ki bangat ka GE exams te nga revise ki notes ru atat ru nga practice ki questions because haji exam ki bon ba hable problem solving as compared to bahab shu la lendete haka exam ki ngat ki question ba application based bit not ba nga learn lendet phap learn bha ban utilize bha ka mind kumno ban use critical thinking ban solve ki question bha ke ki coaching classes excluded namar coaching she done 4 hours coaching she teach only 2 subjects like she alternate namar she don't like to subjects mangat physics chemistry and maths te one day ki physics chemistry next day ki maths physics kumta ki change alternate the 4 hours ki coaching then another ding ngelawan ching ngap revise ki notes bagi pensiona then ngap solve ki questions na kita ki modules ki te kala around 6 to 8 hours ke man kasi kari offline ka coaching te adin lawan ching te hap dapat hi self study te ka main reason te kadi ba ipapa jonga ila le engineering from Madras ke nyuchwa te ngayo inspiration ni papa jonga ila motivate dia ban lit lain engineering hi tangba bang kwa ban ka IIT college pat ka IIT college ngala kwa ban nado class 9 ngala don lupa ka tuka jingmut te bang kwa ban poi bistas college hi te ngala work upon that te ngala poi ki mentang ngala skukun ha bi la peneliti papa lupa te ngala long kumba subut ipai menta ahead te dengan apa ke college ngakwa le bahas syuk nang balik menta te ngakwa ban improve syuk ke ki ngakwa ban explore ki skills kum ki coding ki programming ne ngakwa ban join ki extracurriculars activities ke college semua don basketball club mali le kai basketball semua deki don ki debate ne deki elocution ne ki interest padan dengan explore bahasa ta tang pat menta higher studies te dengan empat dah soch than ke ngakwa ban explore bahasa ki interest berokhat hadin ki higher studies na something menta ka BTech it will take 4 years saus nam hoi hadin jong ata ngan sa thinking ngakwa ban le MBA ne ngakwa ban le MTech ne ka depend ka interest ngale you college hoi mga ngasit le kai basketball ru kadi favorite sports jong ngasit le kai table tennis ru ngasit le swimming ru te kita ru ki other interest kan jong bakin la ban pursue first kidi ban don kam ka goal ken ba ki pa ban crack ka exam ayo ka GE ne ka NEET ne kibun ki competitive exams ka bit sa to ka don ka MHCT ro ka don kibun tang mapat kidi ban pun lupa ka goal ba ki pa crack ta exam then ki hab belief yala de ki hab don ka jinget yala de ba ki la bi ban crack ta ka exam sumo kim don jinget te kalong hi ban crack ta exam ki hab yo lupa yala de bakin poise ta ka level ba kidi ban yo means ladi ban lupa ladi bakin di poisa kumiki kwa ban poisa IT jadi ban ladi baki la poisa IT lupa kiap soch lupa kumbang ngatan lit bi IT te kata ru ka pat biang hi piap saput saka hard work ru ka piap minat hi ladi ru piap record bhashi bun shibun poi ka level ru te piap first you have to believe yourself then put ka hard work at the same level hi can so that you can reach up to that level te kata ken kwa ban through this any goal be fikwa ban le anything that fikwa ban achieve in life pin salab na Bible Matthew 7 verse 7 ask and you will be given seek and you shall find and knock and the door will be open ken if you believe kita ki words ru salab habe ban le like
kecengi kong la pentingin Khasi denga mencuang atri hapo army school ga hikai hapo army school shilo tinang tu pede ho hadien pede dangala ya tho pede bi pa ting ngelek keleng kum tu ting like ngala shim break no shipor dan hadien pede ngala hikai biang shuti shupi thoragat biang ngala hikai biang dan ngashim break biang no biki kon tu mo ki don kam mo ke support jungi tinga shim break biang den nga hikai biang tia army school Pule ru shipor ke den hak turu ngala shim break biang gunta ke bangan yarap ya rich ken bagin in yo kambon por ken men pelut mangi kikni kik pangin yo kambon por bagin pelut por ban i ken tining kong ngi ai ngu yu bleng ban lor ken yu bala don tingkat ban i ki jingkir khu jung ngim la ban siu kelyang ken kede ke jing kerku jung u ke jing isin ba ka jung u ba ai ngi ni kun rich bahalang Khasi mo. Idi ikoni baning kong jongi. Ilakai ni ha shani hi shashulong po Nazareth Hospital hante. Te ha ka jing yat linti jongi pade ba ikpai trei gumbai labatai. Bi trei shabar gumtu tingi hap let no shabar ke. Bi hap ya let lang ya let man bi yo posting ki jakang ya let lang. Te ka jing let school jongi ru kelas dang sta shajamu gumbai la yatu. Te nado ki por menshwahi ilong ikenna iba minot iba tip mo ya kata ka discipline ilong iba minot iba ban kwa ban explore ki barok ken ki badan po surroundings kum tu jung i te ngim da don kata ka jing ban ong i ba ban lok man kre kod ne ban le kum tu i kade kamon jong i hi te bi pen i ke interest bi don interest ha kita bi kwa ban le i kita ki jing puli jong i ken tingi kum ki kimi ki papat ni long tang ki supportive backbone jong i ken pingi support ba je i we always give him ke ka ba i kwa ken bing yu i ke interest ka jong i tingi support ni ai ki motivation ki like dala poile sakat kini ki level ki exams he needs a lot of pep talks ki judge mo ki ban pin I motivate ye iken na ka way ka por ki don ki por ru be ilong down teng mo bila le kat kani ke exam gum to te ki don kita ki por ru tingi ni perlu jingmut ken ni I jingmut ye ni pen motivate ye all the time gum to te kita ki ken wangilap ai kon hard
Kadai ning kong ka bau bleu lai ka sap ka fong na du dang khna na du dang ret la pen I ka sap bau dan ka sap ha ka pule ka puthi umdei tang ha ka pule ka puthi ha bau le ek ru ubun ha ki sap ki skills man chong na ma te namar ba ngapet ka capability juga ka potential juga te nga perkhat ba I should tap him earlier okay so ha ka por banga julit bo school you man la kasi sapo army school Shillong nga travel na do maulai shadu army school kasim porsi bon then between nga lap yu ba ya keren bagi tagi paralog umnang ban keren ke English tungong meme menong kumnum dia mali sekolah po ayu hapo surat ngapin batayu kumnu ban keren nga sunara ki senten nga penpet ki ban onggen ba ketika sky kalong blue men ongum no ngabu across like that in no time you pick up very fast deh dah apa mula song class 3 ngaw ato ngan shoot test na emengan ai no da kijing ken ba ba men dup start jing ken namar men start kijing ken kan ni ka level jong me kala la sulong tang tu level school men toy le khama jong ken dia nadu class 3 ngapin hikai kita ki simple equation tak pen I kita so grade men I ki blank ki masih upej artat usmutu artat ti kita ki sap kita len udon ma ti high school ruk man syong na daru ba syong class nadu dang class arit nadu class nursery Haduh class 12 right ubayo ba ki marks ba 90 and above and he is always a topper in the class right te kata ka ya ilti jongu umdei tang ba u pule uputi ma he is all rounder type te kuman syong man sywa dang kamret ngaju pentit kitu ki logo city they were expensive at that time because he's the first one tengadon kata ka kapal dia ngapen tet itu kidi kiar ki berit bansna ka aeroplane kidan almost 300 to 400 pieces that I thought unsna ki ni tun simpor at least Kynta argenta lagenta in no time he finish it then ngasutu you can ngasutu you dan kata ka capability tekat ba unang kiu class em khamtam ngai thu ka maths udan ka physics usutu di hak ta ka por ngap hikai ki advance from my side also okay he pick up blindly at that point of time when the reality comes when he solve those problem in the classroom am kiba ahead when he reached those classes those level up for your kalau along ka application ka bawla stu lupa but ka concept kalau along very clear kan okay te kalong kumta hakani ka jing pulie ka jung upat kuman suang wala poison ka kerdan am kadai ka jing sutu yu ka concept actually tang ban pule ban ong ban su pule ka 6 to 7 hours also doesn't mat kami result ye Hindi haba fi Pule pidi ban suto kumnu Pule ka. Te uni udan ya kata. Okay. Sometime kumu kena haplan ke jilong kena. Udan hika jing mong ke jing jaito. Fi long aware menta ki media ki babuan. He is into the WhatsApp. He is into the Facebook, not much of Facebook, Instagram. Okay, he is into games. He is playing lots of games. Okay, even during the preparation of 11, 12, during that point of time also, he used to do all that. I'm very much aware, and he knew anything. Much ong he upuri ki kot ghol ki badai sepang ki Japanese anime. Okay, dia hak ta kajing kwa jung hapo bosong class 12 kadai almost 20 volume. Okay, 20 volume tingong tungan anime iwe ngal adapted kata kot hadian 1 week ngon ano itang iwe pe iwe men Pule. Ngam shy me ban men waste ka time. By that time wangal adapt simna kot barok khai. So he is udan ke capability ketika kelebo ula kurku beliau te ha kata ka jing pre ke jong uru jing sisa ula nadu kisni ke bo tho number hak bo tho ke exam JE mains dan artly main ones and main two lada ka was best of two. Okay, hak bo tho ke main one ula yo it ka marks kaba is not as per his level, not the satisfaction of me, so I get a chance to push him. Namar pa listen. Sometimes as you kena, deh, dia push you ngam pek medan ke capability with that boy, your friend, has reached to this level. So that has given a good point for me that he stopped all this gaming and all this reading stuff like that. Okay, dia dah ula yale kata ka bar kata ka the bow you to 99.72. Kadai after a good little push. He stopped all that stuff also. Dalam poi ke advance, di kalau along with full time ke jongu, nyim stress, nyim umdan ke kajing Pule jo umdan stress umdan ni. Tang ba we long lucky na kadao you, ba ulit ak taga coaching institute dem kedai ka Allen Career. They have ka Allen Career Institute kedai ka institute ka ba konsuang no makin ki mock test. Siapa kin thoi ka me advance ki mock test after mock test or mock test. Tidak flalik thoi tak exam hadian lalong matho lalong melinte kam dan shu ko jing chepti kam dan shu ate jing artatian kai te hak ta jing im jong uru tingong me minta ka generation kala change banai computer science lami sakini ki AI lami sakini data AI there's no point for you. It's better to go for the core subject and you add one layer of AI later on. Tekan bahabli di core subject like electrical mechanical civil engineering. At least you'll get job with the government. You will get job with the state government. Then you can do something and you add your layer of AI and stuff like that so that he become full. What hadian kajing perkhajung wong aman lek baik ni computer science yang kadai kaban jome sa pangarung dan perlok all around the corner all around the country, all around the world. Basically I ngale hapwa Chennai ngale engineering maximum ki dalapai 7 8 semester ki beri muju Pule coach la Pule bekum lu bandai sa Amerika to ki Google wala tigito ngala kren ki kyong ba it's still all right to go for the core subject. Core is still core tengayo kata ka motivation ken kata ki kwa jongi be ban yo be kata ka kwa jong ayu ba un Pule minot top kang bon yo kata ka IT bo kwa nama ka top IT is Mumbai and come to computer science is Mumbai. Okay, komentar pun lek kata classroom jadi top 160 they are the top 160 and you have to join them. Okay, ngong you kam dei ka ba ba men join bat kita and ka platform peer learning is very good ke. You can learn more, can learn fast. They will don't lupa ka capability but kita ke ngong tang ka we memdei ban semua sarong memdei ban thing ba melong capable dalade is you should first of all submit to God. Medevan tip bo blay ba I bore me na ba katho akot Bible hi ba the horse is made ready for the battle but victory rests with the Lord. La mela start mela incre mela biang na dong sedang la da mem dan ke jinge jo blay mem poi si eru medevan long very humble. Okay, your hard work and your achievement should be the example to the others, number one. And number two is to contribute to the society. We are in a place like Shillong, right? You may be are now in the Bombay. Thereafter, pila banyo kalat kelenti lingwa ka computer science jong me namar ba the growth and the development of any sectors or any state government or any administration ka syong ha po ka technology. Okay, ka bawla banyo. Ka bala ban me ka idea jong ka ang ba mede ban contribute to society mansyong na ha po state government na jong mela ban contribute in any form just like pila fi asngo nal kini kan jong ka Infosys. Okay, daw try magnabar Infosys kiti adar card e basna adar card kade ka brain jong bro khai long apek unta ke tong unta me dam la tre hantar mila ban yarap ikibe midi ban contribute. You should not expect too much. If God has given you too much, you should give back to the parents, to the family, to the state, to the people, to everywhere ke kata ke jing so tanat ke jing job ju te kalong ke jing keman ka bakrau ke kalau kau snat sebut ulah apa sih nak kirdan ru, jingsa is still not reaching up to that level. Kemudian orang nak itu, tang ba ngidei naga liang bagi ayu, tinggal apa sih ba ketop ikan lah biang mentah. Tapi ulah apa bukan jingjiat ju, kau ban lek bitang hata IT Mumbai, or if I miss, he'll go to IT Delhi. Kat bangga pangah pulih puat Chennai, ngatip sepangga IT Chennai, on that is the best. Nomor baki beri ham seti ham biang hi ken rong sedang te mentah kata kejia inti ula like ketika Delhi unle inta se Mumbai thing is not sibun and Mumbai is the best college best institute for the computer science. All the toppers are there. Te kalau ngomne ken kau khon tu khon wada ki kinten ki senrang rumah ki khon jong fi te kata ka responsibility ka song ki kimi ki pa lada ki kimi ki pa kim support em ki chu e ki blanki masi kum tu te dadan ka talent leno ne te ka ba kong san ka long ba ini ban pe ka movement jo ki khon ki ya nu ka lenti ka ba be ka ya nu ka lenti da ki ya ka lenti ka ba biang am hakinu ka ba ki le ini ban support ki kata ka support jo ni am kadem day ban chu support ang habang ilong excited kadi ban long all the time kadi ban long consistent kay kumbangi la bu yo rich we ensure that kumta kin la itho baula something down and that is a point how to encourage him. Sometimes is too less, that is the time how to push him. Tingi kum ki kimi pa ka message jong ngai ki jai menri jong i brokhai makim de ban chu ki khon kum to ki ban put full effort kum ki tristom ki khon kum tangi ki kimi pa ngi ban tristom ngi de ban yarap iki ngi de ban pej ki khapor ki don kam Namar ba kuman si ong na mo ngabat ilapin am kajing job jo unir kamde tang nalade kabangi ka effort ka bangi put mangi am harai kita hargi pa pet ingi stay am kilang ani fisia tela sacrifice pelan ngadan ka department am kaba kinla adep ki kam ki jam ni sad party around kidan ki posting in posting out ngila party around ni haban sacrifice yakim kita bro right kidan supposedly kim kita ki party kum kita ki gathering kum nagi party basically is a gathering official gathering ma te ngem la ban attend 10 of them we attend 4 or 5 of them because we know that we have to balance there we have to balance here also but brio ki smooth te kalau kum ta ka sacrifice not only tang kum kita ki kam soba ka sacrifice na do ka step hadu ka penbiang bam penbiang di hadu ka penlet zerok kot pen zerok sela hadu ka pen ai bam ai long kuman si ong no la pek iba at least he should have time to relax not to do anything else okay and by default he's got a brother he's also like one of the motivator for him okay te uni u shadle kumno udola de kata ka por ka ba ula de ban le kai basketball he has to make himself free for whatever it is teng ula he is also into too much into sports. He got lots of friends. La dep one year la jong chat thai. Thai ketika poor jong ba. They kata kind of support. They not only the parents, that means the sibling also has to have a support.
Kung bila ong ikpati kung tahi biru ni abanya katahi ambat kaweru kadai tang kabor no blehi ken kabon ai gi kena samla sya kamat mo bikin yat, bikin nyet halajong. Kata ka believe, baki day bakin don, kata ka goal, ka aim, kidi ban don ha kata. Kikmi kikparu, kidi ban long kita ki balong supportive, kidi ban don ringkat bat ki kon ken. Yim jundai ban ya ki ken, lada ki long down, mo ki dong long kumnu ru, kidi ban support ya ki te, kidi don lang kikmi kikpa em bat ki kon ru ki semua kemente, ki don kata ka jing ki ong ba to ka perthai kan ong kumwe ki brukin kren kumwe henry ki kimi ki pa jonga ki don ringkat bat nga mo uti uban na lor ken tinga shpa kut ba na u mark mo o Marcus ka the khot ka ba khatwe ki ong bat ka verses 22 to 24 ki ong have faith in God mo whatever you ask in your prayer you shall be given ken if you believe kata kitang kata ken ki kena samla believe in yourself and pin sa yo to uso kajingit mo kajingjok kadi kata.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.